Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Docusign to Google Drive. This integration allows you to easily access and attach documents from your Google Drive when sending files through Docusign, streamlining your workflow and keeping all your important documents in one accessible place. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account where you want to set up this integration. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Preferences. This section contains all the personal settings and configurations for your Docusign account. Once you're in the Preferences area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories of settings. Click on Document Sources. This is where you can manage all the external storage platforms that Docusign can connect with, allowing you to pull documents directly from those sources when creating agreements or sending documents for signature. In the Document Sources section, scroll through the available options until you locate Google Drive. You'll notice that right beside the Google Drive option, there's a Connect button. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the connection process between your Docusign account and your Google Drive storage. A new window or dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose which Google account you want to link with Docusign. Click on the email address you wish to connect. This is important if you have multiple Google accounts, as you'll want to select the one that contains the documents you plan to use with Docusign. Make sure you're choosing the correct account before proceeding. After selecting your email, you'll see a Continue button. Click on Continue to proceed with the authorization. This step grants Docusign the necessary permissions to access your Google Drive files, enabling the seamless integration between the two platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Docusign to your Google Drive. Now you can easily access and attach documents from Google Drive whenever you're working in Docusign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.